Hi everyone, welcome to AK Tech Institute. In this video, I'll walk you through the basic formulas. In Excel, calculation can be done either using formulas or functions. In this video, we are going to see how to use formulas. Both these words seem similar, but there is one difference. Formulas are using calculative operators like plus, minus, division, and multiplications, and so on. Formulas are predefined names to some tasks. Both are being used and start with an equal sign in Excel. Let's see how we can do that. We have this small piece of data in which we have a number of units and sales 1 and sale 2. So let's see how we can calculate it. Here some formula. If press equal type 1353.74 plus 1000, hit enter. Okay, we will get this. We are adding these two things, so we are getting this output. This is actually a wrong way of doing. Okay, and the correct way of doing is here, copy and paste. I'll write it down as a correct way of doing. See, for every formula will start with the sign of equals. Okay, now select this cell plus and this cell 2, sales 2, hit enter. So we are getting the output. Both the outputs are same here. If you see here, both the outputs are same, but when you change anything here, like I have added here 1000, if I add 1500, then I'm not getting change here anything, but we can see the change over in this column. Okay, in this column M, and the row is 6, the cell is M6. So in previous video I have explained in detail what is columns, what is rows, and what is cell. How can we identify where we are here? So please, those who missed the previous sessions, please go back and watch all the videos, the basic interface of Excel. Okay, without wasting time, we'll move on to the next thing. So this is wrong way because we have entered the numbers manually here. Here we have selected the cells. If you change anything, that will change automatically. If I enter 1000, the number is getting changed. Now if I drag till here, the sum of all the cells we are getting here, the sum of two cells. Okay, and there is another way, which is if you can double click over here, the formula will apply till the end of the data. See, the data ends here, so it will come automatically. This is sum, which is correct way that we are considering. So let me highlight this in wrong. We'll consider this is as correct way, which is I'll apply green color here. Okay, now subtractions, how can we do? So every formula start with the sign of equal. Here we have to select the cell, put minus sign, and select the K6 cell, hit enter. See the subtractions, if you do, we are getting this output. If you want to apply the formula till the end, just double click. Now division equal cell divided by 1000. Hit enter. Now we can see the decimals are coming, 3 4 5 5 decimals are coming. If you want to change it to 2, just double here, click on over here this icon button, decrease decimal. Can you see here decrease decimal? Just click here till second. Okay, let me zoom in. Now double click over here, the formula will apply till the end. Multiplication is equal, if you want to multiply cells 1 with cells 2, then select multiplication and select cells 2 and hit enter. Now double click here. Okay, now we'll do the formatting here. So select the form, select the table, select all borders, put data into center, alignment, and if you want to highlight this, the headers, select and double click. So if you want to fit your data into the column, into the cell, double click here, two headed arrows, double click, it will fit automatically, which I have explained in the previous session. Those who missed, please watch the previous sessions to understand the basic interface of Excel. The formula what we applied, we can see into the function bar or formula bar. What is function bar, formula bar, name bar, status bar, options and help if required anything in Excel, which I have explained in detail in the previous videos. Kindly go back and watch those videos to understand the basic interface. So this is what today we have learned from the sessions. In the next video I'll explain you in detail of the functions, what is functions, and how can we do the sum, how the way which we did here we can do in other way also. We'll explain into the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Those who not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe it